think insecurities are just part of being human? What if I told you that's a lie we've been sold to keep us in chains? Today we shatter those chains. Everywhere you look, society pushes the narrative. It's normal to feel insecure. But here's the question. What if normal isn't good enough? What if accepting insecurities is just accepting defeat? Let's dismantle this step by step. The myth of universality. First off, let's tackle the big lie that insecurities are just part of the human condition. Why accept a universal truth that serves only to hold you back? Question it. Peel back the layers, and you'll find that this so-called universality is nothing but a convenient excuse. Insecurities are not inherent. They're cultivated by a society that profits from your self-doubt. Options empower. Options are your arsenal against insecurities. Picture this: a life where every decision isn't dictated by doubts, but driven by choices. To get there, expand your horizons, learn new skills, explore unknown paths, and open yourself to new experiences. Every option you create is a step away from insecurity and a leap towards autonomy. Problem solving as growth. View challenges not as impenetrable walls, but as opportunities. Every problem you solve reinforces your capability and diminishes your doubts. It's about adopting a growth mindset. Start small if you must. Tackle daily challenges head on. With each solution, you're not just solving a problem, you're dismantling an insecurity. Goal setting for victory. Goals are the milestones on your journey to confidence. They give you direction and a sense of achievement. But here's the key. Make them specific, measurable, and time-bound. Celebrate each goal reached. Let the dopamine rush remind you of your progress. This isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about building a track record of successes. Embrace winning. Winning is about recognizing and valuing your victories. It doesn't matter if they're small. Overcame a fear, that's a win. Reached a personal goal, another win. Excellent. These victories accumulate, building your confidence. Document them, reflect on them, and let them remind you of your growth and strength. Intentional living. Intentional living is about making choices that align with your values and aspirations. It's the opposite of living by default. Evaluate your decisions, from the mundane to the significant, and ask yourself, does this align with who I aspire to be? This conscious living ensures that your life's direction is always in your hands. Action over fear. Lastly, confront your fears. Action is the antidote to fear. It's about facing what scares you, not once, but consistently. Each confrontation diminishes the fear and builds an inner strength that's palpable. This doesn't mean recklessness, but calculated risks that push your boundaries and expand your comfort zone. Research backs this up. Studies show that taking control of your decisions and facing fears head-on significantly boosts testosterone levels, enhancing feelings of confidence and well-being. What's one insecurity you've conquered? Or what's holding you back? Drop a comment below. Let's challenge each other and grow together. Insecurities don't have to be your norm. Reject the lie, embrace the challenge, and transform your life. Your true potential is waiting on the other side of your fears. It's time to unlock it.